You've been trained to be broke. How to break free from the cycle of financial struggles. Financial literacy plays a vital role in our daily lives, yet it is a topic that is not widely discussed or taught. This lack of education leads to individuals living in a constant state of financial insecurity, always struggling to make ends meet, and never quite reaching financial stability. The saddest part is that many of these people are unaware of the underlying factors that keep them trapped in this vicious cycle. It is not a lack of resources or opportunities that is keeping them broke, but a set of beliefs and behaviors that they have adopted unconsciously. However, there is hope. By gaining an understanding of the psychological and behavioral factors that prevent people from reaching financial success, individuals can make changes to their mindset and habits that will allow them to achieve financial freedom. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can break free from the cycle of financial struggles and attain the financial stability they desire. The key is to understand that financial literacy is not just about knowing how to budget or invest, but also about adopting the right mindset and habits that lead to long-term financial success. Kim Kiyosaki argues that the way people think about money is what separates the rich from the poor. People who are financially secure have a different mindset than those who struggle with money. The key to financial independence is to change the way you think about money and start making investments that will generate passive income. Kiyosaki explains that in order to build wealth, you must be willing to take risks and invest in assets that will generate income. This could mean starting your own business, investing in real estate, or buying stocks and bonds. The idea is to find opportunities to earn money without having to trade your time for it. This way, you can create multiple streams of income that will provide financial security and stability. The author also notes that it's important to understand that wealth is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having enough passive income to cover your living expenses, so you can live a comfortable life without having to rely on a job. This is why Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial literacy and the need to learn about money, investing, and creating passive income. Finally, Kiyosaki emphasizes that financial independence is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about having the freedom to do what you love. If you have enough passive income to support yourself, you can pursue your passions and interests without worrying about money. So, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and struggling with debt, it's time to adopt a new mindset and start taking steps towards financial freedom. It's important to note that the journey to financial freedom is not a one-time event, but a continuous process of growth and adaptation. As you build wealth, it's crucial to continuously evaluate and adjust your financial strategy to ensure that it aligns with your long-term goals and values. In addition, it's essential to cultivate a support system of like-minded individuals who share your vision of financial independence. Surrounding yourself with a community of individuals who are dedicated to personal growth and financial literacy can provide you with the encouragement, motivation, and accountability you need to stay on track. Furthermore, it's essential to cultivate healthy habits and routines that support your financial goals. This might include developing a budget, tracking your spending, and automating your savings and investments. By establishing positive financial habits and routines, you can create a foundation for sustainable financial growth and success. In conclusion, financial freedom is achievable, but it requires a deliberate and sustained effort. By embracing the principles of financial literacy and taking action to build wealth, you can break free from the cycle of financial struggles and attain a life of abundance and prosperity.